Welcome back, my friends. I hope you guys are well. Today, we're going to do another resale video. So specifically, the truck we're going to show off happens to be one of my all-time favorite Icon Broncos. It is built in the new school style. It is a 1968, and it is BR number 32. So we built it quite a while ago. My little brain's working about 6 years ago, and we built it for a repeat favorite client, and we did a lot of custom touches to it. So first of all, it's beautiful pure white color. We blacked out in the volcanic finish, the old school style wheels and the Bronco front grille. Rest of the exterior trim is the usual finish. We have the new school front and rear bumper party, of course, including the Warren winch, cleverly concealed within the bumper. We have aux lighting front and rear. Coyote 5.0, Borla Mandelband stainless steel, black ceramic coated exhaust. It is the restrained exhaust versus our very loud, obnoxious exhaust. This isn't a quiet exhaust though. These 5.0s make a fair amount of noise. It's kind of part of the fun if you're that person, which I hope you are. Doesn't matter. We have non-tinted windows. We do not have the Brightwork nor Ranger trim. We have the beloved Icon and new school Learjet visors. The interior on this truck is kind of extra special nice because it's done by our dear friend Sid Shavers, who is, if you don't know him, Google his work. Amazing hot rod famous upholsterer up in Northern California. So Sid did the seat upholstery in this unique pattern with perforated inserts. It's all high quality black leather. The carpets are downright sculptural, and there's removable mats plus full structured carpet with insulation, and that's a organic wool Hargarten square weave that is hemmed in the same black leather. The door panel designs have the leather insert on the lower and the ribbed stainless on the upper, standard for the new school design. This truck's fairly analog, so we're running manual windows, manual door locks, manual transmission, quite nice. Easton Warner AX15 5-speed, which is sending its power through to the Atlas 2 twin-stick part-time shift-on-the-fly 2-speed transfer case. Axles, Dynatrac built Dana 60 based in the rear, high pinion 44 in the front. Fine spline axles and all possible upgrades on that front 44. We have the ARB locking differentials with dedicated air compressor front and rear. And we have the Icon Hydro Boost assisted sport brakes. We have, of course, the Icon coilover suspension. This one specifically has the sport suspension, so that gives you tunability controls for the nitrogen shocks as well as for the sway bars. What else can I tell you? We have the elevated audio system, Pioneer NEX head unit, CarPlay, Bluetooth, navigation, yada yada yada. This one I'm pretty sure has the sat link. Other cool custom details on the interior. When Sid did the interior, he also hand stitched and leather wrapped both the steering wheel and the main dash pad, which generally I don't do because I don't think you get good longevity when you do the dashes. Now granted, this truck has been babied. It only has just under 6,700 miles on it, but there's no wear nor tear on this dash. It's holding up great, so maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Alcantara headliner in a very dark charcoal. What else? I think that's it. So if you like the specs on this truck, reach out. Sure beats the weight. The wait for a new Bronco build is pretty insane, and we're just finishing the service work on this one. Probably have it done by the time this video airs. And that's all I got for you, other than to say thank you for your time. Be kind to yourselves, be kind to your planet, and we'll see you again next week, all right?